Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to make hot spicy chicken livers. It goes well for breakfast or a cider for your table. This chicken liver is 500 gram, of which I put half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water. I washed them and then I soaked it into the livers and I had it kept overnight in the fridge. I didn't cut them very small because liver is an item that it breaks, so I kept it quite whole after cleaning. And thereafter my ingredients are: a quarter tablespoon of mixed masala with 2 tablespoons of flour. I actually will drop it into the chicken livers, the flour to help it to bind it, and the chicken masala to flavor it. Mix it well, just let it stand. I've got half a cup of oil to braise, 2 small tomatoes, 1 small onion, 3 green chillies, a tablespoon of ginger garlic, and a tablespoon of mixed masala. And I have some sauces to add after the tomato cooking. It's a nando chicken peri sauce, 2 tablespoons, with 3 tablespoons tomato sauce. I've got my frying pan heated on moderate heat. I'm going to add in my half a cup oil. Firstly, I'm going to fry out these livers very lightly. This in fact can feed 3 people. A quick fry out. After a very quick fry, I'm going to actually remove this out from the frying pan. Now I'm going to lower my heat. Using the same oil, I'm going to start to braise my chutney. I'll allow these onions to fry out first. Now my onions is fried out. It's soft but not brown, but it's okay. Now I'll end with my ginger and garlic and my green chilies to cook out. And then my tablespoon of mixed masala, which I already mixed up with my curry leaf included. But if you have fresh curry leaf, you can add to your masala. Okay, the masala is cooked out, then I add in my grated tomatoes. Yes, I forgot to say all about salt. It's about a teaspoon of fine salt. And allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, my tomatoes are cooked out now. I'm adding in my peri sauce with my tomato sauce. In fact, because today I want to make it slightly creamy, so I actually want to add in half a cup of sour milk, but it's optional, but it gives it a creamy flavor. And then I'm going to drop in few drops of lemon juice, of which I didn't say all about, to bring out a sour flavor. I'll mix all this thoroughly and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now my sauce is actually done, so I'm going to throw in my livers. And then I'm going to squeeze in some black pepper, just a squeeze. And I'll allow this to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, it's about 8 minutes of cooking and it's done. In fact, I'm going to actually garnish this with the spring onions and some dhania, and it's nice and chunky and looking nice and very hot. That's why we call it spicy. Here you go, a very filling breakfast with your fried egg and your very spicy livers, and you must have it with bread where you can dip in your gravy. It goes well with many types of breads. Enjoy.